we are going to see the problem build an array with stack operation. So everybody knows like what stack is. So where you push the element, so let me just show you like how stacks work. So let's say you have one element 1 and you push that into stack, then it would be look like 1. And then let's say again you push 2, then it would be 2. Now this is the push operation. And how pop operation works? Pop operation will pick the top element and will remove this one. So when you use the pop operation, it will remove 2, and if you again use pop operation, it will remove 1 as well. So this is how stack works. So you have to build an array with stack operation, so you can perform only 2 operations, that is push and pop. Those 2 are the stack operations. So pushes integer top of the stack, remove the integer on top of the stack. So we have seen that. You also have a stream of integer 1 to n. Okay, you have one target array, you have to made that target array and you have given a stream. Okay, so if the stream of integer is not empty, pick the next integer from, push it to the top of the stack. Okay, so let's say we have picked this one where target is 1 and 3 and n is, let's say n is 4. So our stream would be 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. And what we need 1 and 3. So for 1 we say push, for 2 we said push and pop, because we don't need 2. And after that for 3 I will say push because I need 3. And 4 I don't need to come here, I have just got my array from these operations. So what operation I have done? I have done push for 1, I have done push and pop for 2, I have done push for 3, and I don't need these things. Now let's say one more thing, 1, 2 and 4 and your n is 4, then I would say push, again push for 2, 3 is not there, then I would say push and pop, 4 is there, I would say push. So I will start one counter from here and I will start my stream from 1. So you can say 1 is there, I will move here, and here for 1 it is push. I will come here 2 is also there, again I will say push, increment here. Now here it is 4 but my stream would be 3, then I would say push and pop. Why? Because I don't need 3. Now 4 I would say push. So the code would be simple and the approach will take order of n times. And talking about space complexity, we are not using any extra space, so that would be order of 1 space and time. So now we will see the code in many different languages. Let's first see in the Java language. Okay, so we have one counter start and we have result where we insert the operation that we have made. So I will go till start is less than target dot length. Why? Because I have already told you that, let's say I have to calculate 1 and 2 and my n is 5. So you know I can stop the stream at n equal to 3. Why? Because I don't need greater than 2. I have already got the array and I is less than n, 1 to n. So if target is equal to I will increment start and I will push the element, else I will push and pop. So this is the Java solution. Now let's see in the C++. Again it is the same thing. I think there is not much difference, so it is the C++ code. Now let's see in the Python. We don't have condition here, so I have put this here. So when the start is greater than length of target, I will just break the loop. Else, I will append if target start is I. Else I will do push and pop. Okay, now let's see in the JavaScript. In JavaScript, you can do this. You can use let to store the variable, and this is the array, and you can return that. Now let's see in Kotlin. So Kotlin and Java somewhere similar, you can say. So for I in 1 to n, if start is greater then break, else do these things. Now let's see the code in Go language. So in Go, you can initialize variable like that. You have array of string, and this is the for loop, and if at is equal to I, then you can see start plus plus, and else you can do that. Now let's see the last, that is Scala. Yeah, in Scala we don't have break statement, so remember that we have put this condition here. So if start is length, then do the operation. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, thanks.